Okay, for this week's video, I wanted to do something a little bit different. This was actually shot just before we left for Florida, and I want to thank Katie and Helen for their help in getting us ready for our trip. So I hope you enjoy this.
So we're just cleaning out the camper, so.
I'll back it up when you get back here, okay?
Gotta sweep it out. This floor looks nice and shiny now. Ow. Whoops. I'm gonna get underneath last.
Okay.
I'll back it up once you get back farther.
So just cleaning. Okay, I need to sweep it out.
So she's sweeping out it. Okay, there's still some.
Yeah. So I just gotta get along here.
Okay, I'm gonna put it right there.
So I'm done with the back. So yeah, I'm done with the back. So I'm gonna get.
I'm redoing this. Okay. There's still sawdust and stuff.
Attracted a lot of dirt. So. Here goes the underneath. You can scoot up, Helen.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do.
You want to do this part?
There's still some right there if you want to get that.
Okay. You want to do this, the underneath part?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta leave the camera here. I'll take the camera over there. So you sweep the rest back.
You could do the
Ooh,
this part.
So which part?
So underneath here.
Underneath. So
Underneath.
let me do this thing. 'Cause you probably don't know.
So she's getting underneath here.
Under here, the bed.
Underneath the bed.
I'm gonna get the rest of this real quick. So get it lined up and stuff.
Okay.
You know, I think if you had two people on this
Helen, your back's in the way.
I think the lifting guy and then a person on the road.
You got that back there?
Yep.
Okay.
So you want me to show you how you lined it up? You line it up. So
I
you
got it.
untwist this thing, and then you can move that to line it up.
A little lower. So she's just cleaning out the first one.
Wow, it's really dirty. Yeah.
So this is how much dirt there was under there. Might not be able to see.
That's dirty.
Here goes the next one. You got it?
Yep.
So we got all of that dirt from under just this.
It's kind of hard to get.
Get over, like in that middle area there, between like those,
what I was
that
gonna
white
do.
piece,
I was gonna do that last.
and then like that. Yeah.
And I gotta get way under here.
We got a lot of dirt. So we got a lot of dirt. It's not even half of it. Some of it.
So I'm almost done.
She's over there now. Did you get that middle part?
Nope, not yet. I'm still working on it. I'm just gonna sweep this out. Right here.
Is that all?
You don't have to show it what I'm doing.
Okay.
You can just point. This is dirty. Oh, you're showing I'm sweeping it?
Mhm.
I'm gonna sweep up here too.
Okay. Ah. Got on my feet. Now you might want to sweep off that part.
There we go. I'll do that.
But wait until we're all done.
This.
That's it. Look how clean it is now. Okay, now.
Hasn't been this clean since I put it in.
Okay.
So
line
let's
it back.
get a view of everything.
Wow,
It's clean, isn't it?
it's very clean.
So, got this. See how clean it is now? So, excuse you, Helen.
I think we need a new one.
Yeah.
So,
Here.
here's the bed. And then here's up
I'm gonna go
front.
put one on, Katie. A new one on.
Okay. Just
Here.
showing them how
Here.
clean
We're
it is.
gonna get a new one.
And then under there,
Okay.
it's pretty
What's
clean.
So.
Yeah, over just a little bit. I'm gonna make the bed. Make it. So I got this pillow already done.
Put that pillow there. And we're gonna put
That pillow. Let's put this
like
pillow.
right there.
No, let's put it over there by the TV.
By the TV.
Yeah. So that's the bed. Made the bed.
Nice.
So now we're just gonna mop it.
Okay.
Yeah. This time
Or
we're just
you mop
mopping.
it.
So okay.
Oh yeah. Let's see how dirty it gets from mopping.
Nice and shiny.
There.
It's not gonna be perfect, but you know.
Yeah, you can see the glare from it. From
Yeah.
the
I'm gonna get under here. Especially right here. Still a little
like
dirt, but well. Okay, I'm gonna get where this big stain is. Hey, it's coming out.
Here's a stain there. Okay, it's all out pretty much.
Okay. It's nice and clean.
Whoa.
Okay.
You
I
done?
think that's here. Let's mop this off real quick.
Okay.
Gotta fix this.
Okay, your head. Right here.
Now we have to put
Now
all
do
these.
your thing.
Now we have to do all these boxes, Helen.
Okay.
Okay, well, we got to change out some stuff.
Okay.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it's a little different than what I've done in the past. Again, I want to thank Katie and Helen for their help in getting the van ready to go. Next week will be another travel video, but I wanted to slip this in and make sure I had a chance to thank them. Remember, travel, explore, and live life to its fullest. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video or got something out of it, please like the video and share with your friends. And please subscribe by clicking the bell below. Remember, travel, explore, and live life to its fullest.